In this lesson, we are going to install extensions for VSCode and configure VSCode for development. Let's go for it. In your VSCode, click on Extensions icon, and there we are. We only need 3 extensions. ES7 React Snippet. So type ES7 React in the search box. Select the first item and click on Install button. I already installed it, so I get Uninstall button. After installing this package, go for the next one. It is ESLint. We need ESLint to find issues in our code. If you don't have it, just type ESLint in the search box. Select the first option and click on Install button again. And the last extension that we need is Prettier. Type Prettier in the extension search box. Select the first item, and there we are. It's a formatter for our code. Click on Install button, and after installing these 3 packages, we are ready to configure VSCode. Let's go for it. From Help menu in VSCode, select Show All Commands and type User Setting. Select JSON one, not the UI. Select this one. And here is all the setting that we need in our project. From these settings, only 5 settings are required and others are optional. To enter setting, just type these options in the setting. Let's try the first one. I just get rid of the first setting and try to type it again. Inside double quote, type color theme. You will get workbench color theme. Press enter. And here we have a list of options. Select default dark plus. It's the theme that we will use in this course. For others, use the same method. Type editor.default formatter to the Prettier-VSCode. So we are using the extension that we installed earlier for formatting our code. Also enable format on save. So when you press Ctrl S, automatically your code will be saved. Next 2 settings are for Prettier. First one is removing semicolon at the end of the commands. And the last one is using single quote instead of double quote for wrapping strings. By having this setting, our code looks prettier and more professional. For the optional setting, I just set the zoom level to 4 to make the font bigger. The next one is removing the mini map on the right side. Also, I remove the status bar at the bottom of VSCode. And next 3 settings are for get, enabling smart commit, auto fetch, and confirm sync automatically. And the last one is for TypeScript to automatically update imports on moving file throughout folders. That's it about the VSCode configuration. Save this file and we are ready to start development in this course.